Corvair didn't come that way.
No, of course not. 65 Corvair. Now, that's not a Chevy motor, so I don't know what motor's in it.
It looks like a little Buick motor, maybe, huh?
I don't know. Distributors in the front. It's not a Mopar or nothing. It's just, could be.
Not one of those aluminum block Buicks, is it?
It's still 8 cylinders, though.
Well, they made little aluminum V8s back then.
Yeah, probably for like, came out of a Jeep or something.
I would get a Publix fried chicken.
This thing must really scream with that motor in it. This thing don't weigh nothing.
Yeah. I really think Publix is next.
Look at them seats. You got racing seats in there. 4-speed or 5-speed gauge instrumentation. What motor you got in this thing? What is that? What motor's in this thing?
That's a Buick.
Buick.
215. It's a 61, 62
Skylark too. All aluminum V8. All right, so it keeps the weight down up in the nose, man. That's great. I never saw. That's a great swap. That's a great swap. That's a smart swap. I was wondering if that's 215 Buick. That's what it is. Just all aluminum. All aluminum.
It's all aluminum. Just weighs a little over 300 pounds.
Wow. Puts a whole lot of power, man, too. God.
So then you put a differential in it?
Almost like a cat.
Okay, you had to flip the bell housing around or something.
No, I put the rear end right out of the car. It's got a leaf change on and it's got a $700 transmission, so it gets good gas mileage. It turns only a little over 1,000 RPM.
Oh, she's saying it's a $700 transmission. I thought that was a 4-speed, but I looked. Yeah, there's one pedal for the brake. So he does about 1,000 RPMs at 60 miles an hour. 215 Buick engine from 62. All aluminum. Weighs 300 pounds.
In fact, they wouldn't bring the
Man, that's freaking wild. One of a kind. Never saw this here ever, though. Never saw this ever.